Izakhamuzi zithi uma undunankulu engafiki ukuzokhulumisana nazo zizoqhubeka nokulivala leli lokishi.
Mayor and Premier Banyaza, please come down to the people so that this mess can be sorted out. People, they can do their livelihood, go to work. And if that is not materialized, we'll be standing here until you from your office come down.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi inkinga ngokuhlinzekwa kwezidingo zaqala ngesikhathi eBonny Park ifakwe ngaphansi kwesiphehli samanzi esihlinzeka ilokishi eliseduze iPresident Park.
Started on the 20th of July. Issue yamanzi beloko East Africa bene cut off of what is a water shedding kubane cut off and ba communicate Johannesburg Water, but now the communication yabo mayiphuma ayiphumi is specific ukuthi ne Ebony Park bayiputha under reservoir ye President Park.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi aziwafuna amaloli ahlinzeka ngamanzi kepha sifuna amanzi kompompi kuphela.
The truth is we don't want those trucks or JoJo tanks here, just because there's a lot of disease that we can get through those JoJo tanks.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zase-Westbury entshonalanga yeGoli zihlakazwe ngezinhlamvu zenjoloba zaphinde zathelwa ngesisi esikhalisa unyembezi ngabaphoyisa ngesikhathi zibhikishela ukugqoza kwamanzi kule ndawo.
We don't have water, our taps are being turned off. Literally it's been turned off, no proper reasons been given. Officials are not addressing us. The mayor is not coming out. We're not hearing anything from the president, and we've been striking for weeks on end. But now this is the answer that we're getting. While we are sitting, striking peacefully, they're coming with tear gas, they're coming with rubber bullets, shooting on us peacefully. So we can't strike for water now.
Izakhamuzi zithi uma zibikela amaphoyisa ngobugebengu endaweni awafiki ukuzozilekelela kepha uma zibikishela ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo ngokuthula afika ngokusheshsha esezozidubula.
When we ask them now, there is gang violence in our community, they don't want to assist us, but they're shooting innocent children. There was 4 kids was shot this morning, and I was phoned as the community patroller. I came out, I spoke to the officers. They gave me ugly words.
Lezakhamuzi zithi angeke ziyeke ukubhikisha njengoba kuyilungelo lazo ukuba zihlinzekwe ngamanzi.